Teddy, Teddy. Teddy is one of the. He's many years with me. Yeah, Teddy. Hey, you see how happy he is?
Makes me want to go back to my cats at home.
Ah, you have how many you have?
5 shelter cats.
5. Yes. Perfect.
Yes. That's why I can't take any more. But
Look at you.
I would take them all.
5 it's enough.
Yes,
5 cats, yes, for a home. 5 is.
This is the limit. Yeah.
I think that they must make a mess in your house. 5 cats.
They go inside, but it's a lot of work. But
Oh,
it's
it's worth it. Of course, exactly. He has 3 legs, 3.5.
But they can manage it.
Yeah.
There's no problem.
Yes, no problem for them.
Well, my eldest is 16 years old already.
Amazing.
But he is still a happy cat.
That's so good. 16 can go 19, 20.
We will see.
Cats can live many years with a happy life.
Yes.
Teddy.
Ja, hij laat steeds maar. Ik stond op mama, het laatste steeds maar dat ik zo lang
Hey, you beautiful cat. Charlie. Good morning, Kalimera. We are in the cats area with the visitors right now. It's raining. It's raining. Beautiful weather. For us, not for you. Sipsines. Hello, beautiful cats. Okay, now I have to go now. Good morning again. Kalimera. Είμαστε στις γάτες με τους επισκέπτες. It's time for the visitors now. So bye-bye. Bye-bye. It's raining. Sipsines.